We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words as well. We're going to be looking at what it means also, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. First off, how do you pronounce it? Treacherous. You do want to stress on the first syllable. It designates someone guilty of or involving betrayal or deception. It can also mean or designate something presenting hidden or unpredictable dangers. Treacherous. Pretty straightforward once you know. It's actually quite a beautiful word when you think about it. Treacherous, although what it designates is not that beautiful. Treacherous. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.